Happy Sabbath, everybody. So in the backyard, I have cats that come in and feed. I have birds that come in and feed. Remember, Christ says, the birds of the air, they toil not. But how do they eat? They eat because of us, what we put forth for them from the seeds on the trees, the fruits on the trees, the worms in the ground. And because we live in the city here, I know that sometimes food can be limited for them. So I like to throw things out in the yard, especially rice. When we have leftover rice, I like to just throw it in the backyard. I like to fill the container up with milk for the cats and just let them. The other day I had a fish that we had steamed fish, and I had a fish left and forgot to secure it, and I put it with some rice and gravy and stuff on a tin foil and put it out there, and the cats came and enjoyed it. The squirrels came and enjoyed it. It was just a blessing to see them just enjoying it. And so, guys, it doesn't take much. As I said, the Lord blesses us in different ways, shapes and forms. And as He blesses us, He wants us to be a blessing to others. And others can include the animals around us. Happy Sabbath, everybody. The word of the day is be a blessing to is blessing, right? That's the word of the day, blessing. Let us all be a blessing in some way, shape, or form. It's a beautiful day today. It's still hot, but has a little wind. So now they fly away. But they still have a lot of food left out there to come back to. Here comes one more. It's so nice to see when they touch down and they fly and just swoop down. And there he comes, come hop, hop, hopping. Two. Here's another one, three. Here he comes, come hopping, two, three. And I'm thankful, guys. I'm so thankful that we're up and we're still here in the land of the living. We have eyes to see, we have ears to hear the chirpings, the beautiful sound. You could see the wind, see the shadow of the wind blowing. Oh, that's a big, beautiful bird. Oh, beautiful. She has blue on her tail. She picked up her food and she flew. And there's one coming with the red under the, wow, different kinds of birds. God is so good to us. Here they come, they swoop down. With big ones and little ones. It seems like they talk to each other. That's a big one. Another big one. Let me zoom in. It's big ones. Mmm. There's a lot of food there. Mr. Black just drove in. There's one little bird left. We're waiting to see her fly up. Once he comes out the truck, it's gone.